In this video, we will explore the two key parameters in requests to language models from the Foundation Models framework: instructions and prompt. You'll discover their utility and how they can be effectively utilized to get robust prompt requests. Let's set up the environment. To begin, import the Foundation Models framework, which allows the model's work. Additionally, import the Playgrounds framework to enable the preview mode. You can see it on the right panel. It's a feature reminiscent of Swift UI previews and Playground visualizers. This panel will allow you to visualize the results of your request. Defining the model. We'll move on to coding the line that defines the model you wish to utilize. Currently, two models are available: the tag model and a general model. The general model is multi-purpose, and they're recommended by Apple as default. When crafting requests to the model, there are two critical parameters to set: instructions and the prompt. Instructions. In this parameter, developers must define the behavior, fallbacks, constraints, and other considerations, such as the desired style of the response. Prompt. The prompt parameter within the Foundation Models framework is used to convey information provided by the user. Let's see the three examples. Let's consider the first one: best practices plus good prompt. Here, everything is implemented correctly. In this scenario, we'll define the role and fallbacks in the instructions. The prompt contains a good request from user about the Statue of Liberty. Next, we have the scenario called best practice plus malicious prompt. In this case, the user attempts to exploit a prompt injection to obtain unintended results. He tries to change the topic to London. The overall request is robust, and model does not respond about London. Why? The safeguards have been effective because the Foundation Models framework prioritizes instructions over prompt orders. By incorporating considerations in the prompt section, we ensure robust security measures. Finally, we simulate a worst scenario case where instructions only contains the role, while fallbacks are added to the prompt. In this instance, user achieves a not desirable goal, changing the desired behavior, and the model responds about London. Conclusion. I hope this video has enhanced your understanding of the differences between instructions and prompt parameters, and has improved your proficiency and comprehension of the Foundation Models framework.
The speech of this video has been created with AI on Device Tool, an app with AI agents designed for many tasks like this case. Create a final speech from my draft and thoughts. Download in Apple Store now.